are, 474 Bayview Court, perched right above Meeks Bay on the west shore of Lake Tahoe on the California side at the entrance to Desolation Wilderness. From this spot, you can walk to the beach, enjoy water skiing, boating with your family, hiking right out your door. This is an amazing spot to call home. One of the neat things about this home is you have a big lake view, but you don't have to buy a big house. That's very unusual. This home is under $1,500,000. It's slightly under 2,000 square feet. It has a sunny parking area, and inside it's spacious. You walk in right on the main living level, which includes a bedroom and a bath. This sort of is a treetop kind of home, or like a tree house home, right over Meeks Bay. And 2 decks. Downstairs, there's bedrooms on opposite ends of the home, so very nice privacy, and a big family room right in between them, in addition to the living room upstairs. So for a home that isn't that big, it lives rather spaciously. One thing that's really special about this home is you see the lake from all the rooms, upstairs and down. Even from the pillows, you're looking at Meeks Bay. You'll pinch yourself. It's amazing. When you come to visit Bayview Court, be sure to walk to the beach. There is a stone staircase right at the bottom of the dip of the road, and it takes you right to the sand. So if you have been dreaming of possibly owning a lakeview home, this could very well be a heck of an opportunity for you. So please call me and we'll get you in.